igama le episode vandag sithi ubufakazi testimony bumboni because when we are blessed angithi and we are blessed by the best khuluma ngoThixo we always come back and say hey when I remember what the Lord has done. That's the name of the episode today. Pralivu in the building. Libuan ufikile last time. He got me worked up. He got me otherwise. Wathatha ngaphakathi okusangaphandle okungaphandle okusangaphakathi. But God has been good and nini into eniyenzile. Nina ngisazotshela abantu ngani Mzansi Afrika. You don't want to know. But but there are blessings in giving. May the Lord bless you. When I pray for umnikelo esontweni, ngithi give as you give unto the Lord, and the Lord shall give back to you. As we are entering, it's not an episode, it's just a feedback to say we thank God. Bafo, uthini livu, ubuyile bafana?
Yeah, I'm
Hey,
back here.
I see a smile. I know good you are in pain. You are forever in pain, but akukuvimba ukuthi usmile lokho.
Yeah.
How has life been mfana kithi in the past few weeks nyana sakugcina mfana usheshe wabuya very fast ngithe kubo khuluma la le camera bazobuya labantu na kubuyile impilo enjani mfana kithi.
Yeah, life is better. Every day is, every day is better. It's better than yesterday. And for sure, today is going to be better than tomorrow also. Yeah.
So uke wathi ukuzulazula manje kunendaba la esayincintsha last time ukhuluma ngabantu abama gatekeeper ababo keeper bakho where abanye bathi brothers keeper but in a sense of the partner we don't acknowledge abantu much and I always made a boo-boo and a terrible mistake ukuthi there's been someone next to you wire where is that person libnaku ngathi uletha nesmile ebusweni bakho.
Yeah. Right. It's very wonderful. For sometimes I say God put you in situation while he know how he will rescue you out by bringing someone who's gonna walk that journey with you. I'm very much grateful for having a girlfriend. I even call her my girlfriend because I have not yet married her. But if I had money or power today, I was just gonna marry her today, right away, without even thinking twice.
Yeah.
Because I'm grateful for her. She's done everything that not even her parents can do. Everything. Just much. I'm grateful so much. She's never made me feel like I'm nothing. Hence, I'm just like this. But she always tells me, "Look at me. You have to make this, and I'm gonna be here with you." In hospital bed, surgeries everywhere. When it's tough, she could do things that I could even think who say, I don't think even my mother can do this, but she'll never complain. For that, I'm grateful. My girlfriend, I'm grateful so much with my heart.
Yeah.
She's always encouraging me to always keep on fighting, and I tell myself that I will never give up because I think she's one and the last person that I have to make it up to her for her being there for me, and I will never leave her. Not even I don't know, but God is the one who knows why God he brought her in my life. And remember, she came in my life while I'm in bed, while I'm in hospital.
That was my next question. Indlela esihlangana ngayo. Maybe it's a Cinderella story, maybe it's a Romeo and Juliet story, or maybe it's a Harmony and Innocent story, I don't know. Nihlangana kanjani?
I think met through TikTok. And then right away, I told you straight away that I'm in hospital. I'm in bed. And remember, she's from Pretoria and Soshanguve. So for someone to travel from Soshanguve to that side of Soweto, cross that side in hospital, now and then coming visiting me without knowing me.
Hey man. Oh, konje constantly we're doing lives and all of that with TikTok whilst the situation will unfold.
The thing was, they were actually the moment when I ngiphaphama esibhedlela seeing ukuthi the situation is like this. I never even want to know whatsoever. I just said, whoever's going to take me out in this situation is God. So whatsoever that I will be doing with any minute, I have to be praying. So the reason for me to be on this TikTok was only to connect with the only people who are praying. And she was not even part of those people whom I could join a live for people who were praying, asking them, please pray for me. She was not even there. Out of nowhere, she just sent me a friend request, then we started talking like that.
Hey man.
And then she just told me that I'm not going to distract you even every day. Not a day where I will ask her, can you please pray for me? Any moment, even when I look at her, she will just close her eyes and lay her hand in my forehead and pray for me.
Hey man.
Like that.
Umntana kabani lo? What's her surname?
Mate.
Mate.
She
Igama
doesn't
lakhe
have,
ubani?
she doesn't have a father, she doesn't have a mother.
Hey, uGamukhetsi isibindi esingaka uthatha. Mntanami
telling you.
wakabani wena? Hey, kumele ungiphe isithombe sikaGamukhetsi ngimfakela.
Yeah, she's very young.
Wena,
She's
you
very young.
deserve a woo-ha and a woo-shem eyakasomisi. Hey, no. Hey, bayabalwa abantu abanjengalabo.
I don't know. And my mother, even from my younger sister until to my mother, there's no one who doesn't like her. Everyone they talk to her. Everyone they like. I even coming here, whatsoever a call, I don't do whatsoever without telling her anything. And I came out from a hospital. I stayed at my brother's place. Things were not good, but then they were fine because I was staying with someone who is also married. Also, you understand. She took the initiative of saying, you know what? Let me ask Kaya.
Yeah.
If they will allow me, I'm gonna find a place. I'll stay with you. I'll pay rent.
You.
Buy you food. I'm staying close to hospital now, close to Steve Bigo. She's the one who's paying rent. She's the one who's buying food. But I wish and I pray that maybe one day all this will be fine. Maybe I will work. Because remember, before I could work, I was working. I was working, I was playing, so I was doing everything on my own.
Yeah.
And then now I'm just lying there. I'm not even proud of seeing her struggling, just buying electricity, just making sure that I eat, and I do not eat like anything. Remember my intestines? I do not eat what you call pap and all these hard things, small things, of which is still making sure that I'm fine. I'm talking about someone who's not working. He's just a stipend. She's just earning a stipend. But I don't know. God, I don't know.
What did she say when she saw the episode?
She doesn't watch. She doesn't watch.
Wow.
She would tell me that,
Reason?
no, go. Yeah. I asked her, she said, I know people. There are people who always say negative things. Those who do not know me. Now that a lot of people who knows me before all this happened, they know her.
Yeah.
She knows me, me before
Yeah.
all this happened through my family, through all those friends to say, man, whoever did this guy wrong like this, he didn't know who's insane because he doesn't. I do not deserve to be like this. So now she has that picture of saying, what if someone will say something wrong or negative, of which, people are always like that.
Yeah.
People are always negative, but then she always tell me that, no, baby, when you come back, I do not watch. Or sometimes she will come and tell me hint of things that I said. She never wanted to watch close to me. She would say, I watched maybe three minutes and then I stopped. I'm never gonna watch it.
But let's talk about the intention because God uses people. My then next question is, it's not a fair question, by the way. The situation yako, you were in a very critical. Namanje, you still are a work in progress. So someone might think we fall in love for certain things, benefits as teaser, for romance and all of that. Then magengena yena kathola inkalakatha problem ingaka engena ne sell by date ukuthi when is this going to expire. So ngamanye amagama you it's a tunnel, akuna light futhi nale egcineni le. What was the conversation kuwe naye with regards to the future engekho?
I think our conversation was like when she came in my life, she just told me that I believe in your strength, I believe in your faith. So you needed someone who's gonna push you. You understand? I said, she just told me like that. She said, I saw myself by me watching you, hearing you. I saw myself spending the rest of my life with this man. I said, but you don't know me. You don't know what. She said that doesn't matter. What matters now is I'm going through this journey with you. I'm telling you, she have thousands and thousands pictures and videos. Well, I can't even do nothing in hospital. I can't do nothing, but she's there. Either a security will say, no, go away. But she will be there and she will never cry. She would tell me that if I cry, what am I expecting you to be? Yeah. I don't know how many times, ever since I came in this podcast, I think I went in hospital twice. I don't remember, because there is any day that she missed coming to hospital. Even if she has to knock off lapo apanda kona, knock off maybe 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Visiting hours help us too, but she will come. She will come. Her family, very sweet people.
Yeah.
Very, very sweet people. They always talk to me like I'm one of theirs. To even say I've not even married, I've not but yo.
Ya ngizoba mfundisi mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga yabona wena Bongs. Shuthe noshatiswa yimi mfana siyifase lento kahle ukuthi nawe wenza ivar. Sila ukuthi so witness. But today it was not about. Last time I never got any opportunity or chance, not because bengena power ngina effort or ama means ngirani platform, but I could not say a word because kwesinye isikhathi umoya kaThixo mawuyamele singawukhubi. So umoya bowuphephetha la uthanda khona. So namhlanje bekwile update. Among other things, I want to know update mfethu. South Africans they are listening. They're just wanting to know ukuthi mfana, how have you been? People bavele bathi mfana thina namhlanje sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi we are pulling out all the stops and we want to be with you. And when I saw comments ngathi it's very rare on Rings and Bearings, ama comments at 2,000 within a month, just under 2 months, ama comments were 2,000 plus, and abantu abanasikhathi sokutype, but those were blessings and many other words. Abantu abathi if we can't reach you sikubone none, if phone has been ringing and good enough sifake ama-number wakho straight. Let's talk about the experience nje from the day you went, the day I drop the episode until today. Ukuthi yini echangile, and what are those things that maybe you take out from that experience?
Yeah, it's a lot. Regardless of negativity, due to my situation, I do not want to dwell much on negativity from people who probably remember my numbers are there out. People who call. Doesn't matter what time they will call. Because I'm always up due to pain. Calling with the audacity of someone, it's either a father or a mother telling me, you see, you have to tell the world the truth. Wenzeni akekho umuntu akakusukela nje aze akudubule nje wena wenzeni.
Hey man.
I but sometimes it's me who wanted help. I have to take it like that. I have to digest it because it won't be sweet always. Surely I know pain. But all in all, there is life that I have to live. And I've seen so many people putting hands together, their heads together, whereby up to so far, we managed to raise plus minus 50.5K.
Yeah, no, South Africans, you deserve a round of applause because of 1, 2, 3 cameras, 50,500 rands days.
Yeah.
Ordinary South Africans, people you don't know, abantu abangakwazi, through the channel, through the platform.
Yeah. And from that amount, from 150 cent that I saw to 10,000 rand, any cent, every single cent. There's no minus. I can give you my cell phone there. I've been updating Harmony with everything from day one. I'd said, Harmony, I do not want money. I do not want that money. If you know someone or somewhere where they practice surgery, take me there, my brother. I tried. I found hospitals, private hospitals. Please drop me a quotation. They did. I do have them on my cell phone. Some they're saying it's risky to do one surgery, only to loop the bullet. And it's gonna be more dangerous than it is now to just go and loop it, then you go home. Because there are procedures. Those procedures are the ones which hinders a process of maybe I could just raise, maybe wait until it gets to that money that they want, maybe to do two, three.
What's that amount?
The amount that I think is there on the quotation, plus minus. They in that hospital they said for anesthetic they want 40,000 rand. For only 40,000 rand, it's gonna be for 4 days sleeping there. And then for hospital, all these things surgery is gonna be 100,000 rand. You see, and then
So we're looking at 150.
Yeah, approximately.
So we have 50,500. So we are out with 100,000.
Yes, of which if you can take screenshots from A up to Z, it's only money in. There's no minus. Where I can go even without electricity. I'm telling him, they say, no, but I said, my brother, I know what I'm going through.
No, he was briefing me now to say, imali if I fixed deposit and what, it's locked until izo reach 140. Uzokwazi ukuthi uyesibhedlela. Hey, you know how dope, how awesome. Now udokotela last time sikhulekile asinophinde into eziningi. uNkulunkulu usebenza ngendlela yakhe asebenza ngayo. Lento kusese iprocess ekhona. That is why I wanted to hear a testimony. Testimony number 1. We are 50,500 in. Bill it's only 150, just under approximately 150,000. And I know must for 100,000 South Africa la.
Yeah.
Even if bekungathiwa ngeke senze lento za kuma Twitter nana ngifuna umuntu okholwayo because abantu abezela umuntu ofake i10,000 ngisho ngabe uthe ngifake ireference yami
Yes.
ningibize ku platform. They don't want to be known, they don't want to be heard. They wanted to help and assist a brother, and the messages I've been reading ngizwa ngawo ukuthi there was something negative. Everything was just positive. And now the dangers about repeating episodes or about part 2, they don't go well. They always find a way of going south. People are very fickle, you know. So this is not another episode where we say we want to grow numbers. All what we want is start to finish. Now there's a testimony number 2 that's very tricky. And this testimony number 2, it's something unheard of, and it's something that I'm not even supposed to talk about. But this wants you and me, Uguti City, watch and learn. I said the episode is only going to be 10 minutes because it was just the testimony and thanking the partner Utu Corner and bese sibaneqiniso sithembakale kini kubantu ngeimali zabantu ukuthi nayi lento la ngoba baza basiblock phela kuma TikTok kuma Twitter bafuna into ehlangana neimali, but thina ke we declaring ukuthi nayi into ekhona njengoba basho ukuthi even the screenshot. Bring me the envelope so that ngikhona ukubona lama fracture. Then
Yeah.
what now I was trying to say while he's pulling the record ngelungiphele ulive uyidadeng we understand kangcono kube bekuthiwa kuno Dr. Bafana la ngabe ngithe Fistos awungitshela ungishayela interpretation skeleton ukuthi ihamba kanjani. So now the testimony enginayo la i-development enkulu kakhulu with regards to the men in blue and as far as the law and the lawmakers are concerned. But unfortunately, it's got two folds. One, it's running very fast at a fast growing pace. Nina nizoitola perhaps on TikTok when he says it. I know it. He knows it. The SAPS knows exactly. So I'm saying we are making some serious strides and end routes. And last episode, he had said it ngomlomo wakhe ngemkhulumelo wathi I forgive them. Ngathi ndoda mangabona labantu ngabakhomba wathi ngabakhomba. So nani hlanganisani already mangisho njalo. Something must make sense. So I'm just going to leave it at that to say there's a big testimony immediately after the episode. Kwavuleka umnyango omkhulu. In other words, closure umfethu uyoba nalo on that end. Unfortunately, bullet holes, bullet wounds, and ama bullets asesemzimbeni. But with regards to who did what, when, where, how, we are making some serious strides. Ngivalile abahlakaniphile bangizwile ukuthi ngithini. Let's get to it ayideng. And ngiyazi ngizwe nonke ukuthi ngithini. Ngoba ngiyazi bayathanda khona bo attack, bahlale ba attack. Ziyangichaza zami ezibuya ngalezi imizita uya attack lo muntu. Yes.
So here, in this envelope, these are my X-rays.
Yeah.
Surely you'll be able to see a foreign object emzimbeni womuntu.
Yeah.
How many are there?
Yeah.
Because what touches me and pains me too much is I got a call in days before. Someone saying, "Wena, do you think if someone shot you the way you explain, do you think uzobe ukhona la? Nami ngikhulumayo, I've lost a brother who got shot once.
Oh, shame.
Do you think ukuthi nje ikuphi nendawo because nje wavela wakhomba ukuthi ngakuphi? Do you think a doctor can say that? These are the X-rays. Likely they are not electronical. They are just in hand, physical, where you can see. In X-rays, there are my name's ID number, and my surname's also.
Let me help you here. Right. Oh, and nayi iyabonakala lo mcijo. Rabongs. Wena ngifuna ukuthi uzenze isifundiswa la. Uthi and ihleli uzethi la. Emara umuntu uyinto enye ke ehlangahlangene uyazi. Yazi lokubona ama lion mase wabamba izebra idla lehlathini lento usually sizibona lapho. And la kuumuntu kahle ophilayo. So le insimbi le evele la. And then ibullet ile leli la.
Yes.
Ibuya kude ingwenya. Oh yeah. I think market ubongse angibona kahle. No, le very clear. bangaze bangihlayele ku-Twitter ukuthi nangu bese kaphethe ama-X-ray into ey'phathwa udokotela lo wafaka ama-specs ucabanga ukuthi uwe futhi uskim kahle kahle asazi ukuthi usithatha kanjani. Yeah, okay.
Because-
Ngicela ungibambele Hamni.
Because sometimes it's difficult for me to explain everything to people, and
Thatha indlopha.
there are those people who want me to always
Yeah,
explain to them, show me, send. You see,
Abo Thomas,
yeah. So
I refuse, man, leader. I refuse. We don't need to prove any other thing. Let them just doing it for the sake of comfort, because bengekho awengekho sure, yabo. And nami to what extent indlela bochaza ngakhona ipain mase iso ina interpretation ngibona ngo 3D manje ukuthi kahle kahle what really happened, but ke okukhona mfana ukukuwe ke
Yeah.
because bengithe nje only 10 minutes sivalile. Yeah, okukuwe ke mfethu, maybe you wanted to say thank you guys, mina nivele ngendlela bengayicabanganga enivele ngayo, and we came, I've been to platforms mara it's for the first time vele kwenzeka into engayi understand ukuthi kahle kahle labantu bavelaphi.
to be honest, I'm humbled. I'm very much grateful for the team, everyone from day one that they started talking to me until today. I'm just, I don't know, I'm humbled. It gives me life every day to think that there are people out there who are positive no matter the situation, my situation. I believe that I'm gonna be fine. I always read my Bible, and my story, it reminded me of Ezekiel. Those dried bones came back to life.
Yeah.
And what about mine with nerves, with tendons?
Yeah.
Surely, even this leg, they will rebuild it. Even this one, I remember this one on the knee, it's no longer bending 90 degrees, it's maybe 25 degrees. I always say to myself, I'm going to be fine like before.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't like this. I wasn't born like this. And I'm still having another opportunity and chance. For as much as I'm still talking, seeing, able to execute things,
Yeah.
I believe in myself to say, I'm going to be fine. There is one person there who's going to be my destiny helper. I'm going to get there. I'm going to make it. But if I'm not going to be fine, surely I'm going to sit down and work. Maybe sitting down and provide for my girlfriend, provide for my son, and provide for my mom.
Yeah.
I'm going to work. I'm going to do it again
Yeah.
like before. Because I was working, everything was fine. I hope and pray because I still have that faith in God, that God never put me in this situation for Him to abandon me and leave me in the wilderness. Never.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Ubra Live. We came all the way from Epitori. Uti, it was very important for me to come and say hello in these cameras and say bye. But most importantly, say thank you, because thank you gives room for more. As a matter of fact, I said we are making some serious strides. I can surely, with my 10 fingers on the Bible, bear to you, swear to you now more than ever, the man with the scratch somewhere, somehow has been identified. I'm not saying he must run away. You can run, but we cannot hide. So ever since Bamdubula, he saw flames on that day. That was the last time he saw that man. That man, because of these cameras, has been identified. The man who shot this man. We would leave it at that. In the last brief, we will tell you ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Perhaps you might want to come and say, awuthi ngeke ngiye court siyozwa ukuthi lo muntu njengoba asho ukuthi ngaye ngibuza ukuthi kanti ningibulalelani ngoba naye nale 50 rand nyana yami yokugcina bengiyiphethe ithathiwa ngiphethanga cellphone nani, but I was left to die and face the world with pain. Keep well and stay blessed until another beautiful episode. Ngiyanthanda.
Thank you.
Thank you. At its best. Alivo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.